Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Excel. Today we will learn about a really important but yet really simple tool. So that next time when you send your sheet across your office or to someone, they don't find it so unpresentable. For example, this sheet, I am unable to understand where the headings are, where the totals are, so that we need to make it presentable. So for that, today we will be understanding the formatting tool. So for that, simply click onto the cell that you want to apply the formatting to. For example, this one. I would like to change the font, and as you can see in the live preview, when I hover over to the options, I can see it changing. So I would prefer using this one. Now this is the font size option. I want its size to be, for example, 16 as it's my heading, and this is increase font size option, and this is decrease font size option. By clicking onto it, my font size increases by 2, and by clicking onto this, my font size decreases by 2. These are bold option, as its name says, it bolds it down, and then this is italic, and then this is underline. But I don't want it to be underlined or italics, so I would simply click onto it and they are removed. For example, like this. This is the fill option. As you can see in the live preview, what it does is evident, but I don't want it, so I will currently leave it. And this is the font color option. I will prefer it to be dark blue, like this. So here it goes. And now I would like to apply formatting to the various headings. For example, like this. These things are okay, but I want the things to be really quick. So for that, I will simply go to cell styles, then opt for heading 3 according to my data. So yeah, it looks good, but I need this heading to be complete, so I will simply select all into the data and simply double click onto this, and here it got according width. And now how to apply formatting to total? Just simply select this, go to cell styles, and then total. Wow, a single border at the top and double border at bottom. Perfect. So now I want it to be bold. Yeah, so it looks quite good. Now one more thing, we can apply a really cool trick over here, that is go to the border, more borders. It's a really interesting tool. It allows me to opt for various styles. For example, I would be choosing this one over here, and even allows me to select the color that I will be choosing over here is this. And then this is the preview. It's not showing me anything as I have not selected where exactly I want the border to be. Here I want the border to be at the bottom, and then press OK, and then you can see over here it looks good. Yeah, so now I want it to be more presentable, so for that I will first select onto my data, then go to this font group, and then this little window over here that we can see over here is border. So for this I will click over here, then go to all borders, and yeah, now look onto it, it looks much more good. And for example, I just want the outer borders to be here, not fill in completely. Now again, by selecting the data, I will then go over here, then simply go to outside borders. Perfect. Now for example, accidentally a border is applied over here like this. Now how do I remove it? I will simply select that cell, then go to this option again, and then select no border, and here it goes. So that's all for today. I hope you really learned and enjoyed from this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.